Why do you feel like if I'm dressing like Sexy Red, that means to touch my body? No. What's up, world? It's your girl Jewel here, and I'm back again. To do another video. What's up, y'all? This is to the girls. Like, I'm feeling like J. Cole. I just want to give y'all a little
audio hug.
This is a new segment I want to do on my YouTube channel, just because I'm a girl with an opinion. This is my new segment. It's called Let's Chop It Up. Of course, everything that I do on my platform is for love, growth, and development. So if you like content like this, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the post notifications on so you will always be alerted anytime I upload this. If you are new here, I would love for you to follow and subscribe so you can become an official jeweler of the Jewel Show. And if you are a returning jeweler and you've been on your P's and Q's, shout out to my mother-loving jewelers. Welcome back to the channel. I just want to talk about, I don't know, just being a girl in today's time. Like, it's so hard being a girl. How a girl ought to be, what's wifey material, what's not wifey material. I don't know if there's any other girl out here that like feels the pressure to like be all of this all at once. But it's just hard being a girl and understanding how to girl. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, y'all. I did all that introduction to say, let's really chop it up and really talk about it. So let's just, because I want to make this video short, but I just want to dump my mind of these things, put it out in the universe. Hopefully it moves somebody. Hopefully, and if it doesn't, oh well, maybe a girl felt me and was like, girl, I'm here with you. But let's just have that in this space right now. Y'all, to be a girl in today's society is a lot harder, and I don't know, and I don't want to get into the gender wars if do girls have it harder than guys, because I feel like our hardships are equal but just look differently. But niggas, y'all need to make up y'all mind, because I feel like people or men have their standards. We've heard the late Kevin Samuels. I used to watch him back when I was really trying to figure out what it is to women. Why would you watch a male to figure out what a woman ought to be? Is because I just wanted to know from different males' perspective. I feel like his delivery was trash and most of his approach was garbage. But he was a different perspective that I wanted to hear out, just to see how he saw the views of life. So I would watch him and there was some stuff I was like, okay, cool, I can see. And there was something I'm like, nah, you giving the girls a reach. But what he's done is create an army of niggas that wants one ideology of a woman, but glorify this other type of woman publicly, but want this privately. But you cheat on those girls with the girl that you like publicly. But when we get to acting like those girls, now we're this, that, and the third. But when we was doing this, that, and the third, it was still a problem. So it's just like, what do you want the girls to do? Because I don't even want to say these are black men, but are these really black men? We don't know. It's so confusing. Why is it that government is telling us if we should abort the mission or not? That's our body. Are you gonna take care of that girl, baby, or what? You know what I'm saying? Like, stop policing women, period. I don't take advice from people who I wouldn't trade situations with. Like Kevin Samuels. Y'all are taking relationship advice from a man who's not even married. You gotta be married to give me relationship advice, because I'm pretty sure that's the goal. You know what I mean? Or like taking advice from somebody who's broke. You know what I'm saying? You can't be divorced, married, and think you gonna tell me how to have a successful relationship. Can you give me tips and tricks? Yeah, but you're not going to teach me a damn thing because you ain't learned it yourself. And that leads me to another thing. It's just like, damn if you do, damn if you don't. You know what I'm saying? They tell you to stop moping. When you look at yourself in the mirror, stop moping. Fix the shit that you want to change. The girls either work out, y'all get them slack, or your shit ain't tight enough. not your shit, but like your skin and whatever other body parts that may sag, like y'all making saggy jokes. And then when the girls get the plastic surgeries, you're talking about their scars, or you're just talking about, you know, oh, I want to snatch you, bitch. And it's just like, y'all expectations on women is just completely and utterly wild. Or it's the niggas that be like, and I just feel like, why do people have so much smoke about women and ain't nobody saying nothing about guys being in the household? But they rather give the single woman some slack. You know what I'm saying? Or they talking about Kevin Samuels, for another example. He talked about, oh, these women, they're leading education and they're getting their masters and PhDs. And it's like, women are so successful. Why aren't the black men just as successful? You know what I mean? Like, y'all are mad at the sisters because we get into this bag and get into this money and the guys not keeping up with the girls. So why is that the girls' problem? And then if you want to be one of them girls that wants to settle down and want to live a soft life and be pampered, we ain't nothing. We just gold diggers. We are here when the guys we wanted there, that we are never. It's all of that. But then when I'm an independent black woman, oh, you don't need my help. It's just like, I don't know. So I just feel like at my job, sometimes I work with more males, and we've just been having gender wars, and y'all, I just be emotionally draining because guys really don't get it. Like, what don't you get when I say no? Why do you feel like if I'm dressing like Sexy Red, that means to touch my body? No, it doesn't mean that. It means I'm showing it off. Look, but don't touch unless I ask you to, respectfully. And it's scary to think about because they just don't get it. Society just don't get it. It's just so hard figuring out what a woman ought to be, and me just getting older and knowing that we all women differently. You know what I mean? And is there ever a ideal woman? I'm starting to come to the age where I feel like there is no right and wrong way to women. And I just want to give the women an audio hug on here. The message that I want to give to my jewelers and the people who I want to see live a good life: be who you are. Don't let people guilt trip you because you are not sexual enough, or you're too sexual, or you're not modest enough, or you are too out there, you're too church girly, or you too. Be who you are.
Be who you are for your pride.
Okay, no, for real. Just be you, mamas. Just be you, because I promise you, there is nothing that you can be that people will like you and or hate you more so than they already do. So if you are this type of girl, whatever type of girl you want to be that girl and be the baddest to do it. What I will say about women, and what we do need to glorify and hold our male counterparts accountable in, I want to shout out the girls for being go-getters. Because you can say a lot about women, but one thing you can't say is that we're not going to take advantage of every situation. And girls, I just want to tell y'all, like,
be who you are.
For your womanhood, we deal with people's opinions, our own insecurities. On top of that, we have health factors. We got breast cancer, we got cramps, childbirth. Like, women, we bear a lot. And I just want to give y'all a little audio hug for us, for being on our shit, for doing what we gotta do, for raising them kids by yourself, for getting your way through school, no matter how you had to get it. As long as you are content with you and you know that you are doing the best you can, be proud of yourself. Wherever you are at in life, be happy and do the things you love in that moment. Stop listening to what society says and be just in that. You don't have to conform to nobody expectations, nobody opinions, none of that shit. Because at the end of the day, I promise you, you will live a more fulfilling life if you only gave a fuck about yourself rather than giving a fuck about millions of people who want to give you the first dollar if you need it. I feel like it's important for us now more than ever to band together. Women all across the board, my black women, white women, Asian women, Hispanic women, my African queens, we all need to come together and be united, y'all, and get this money. So y'all, I honestly do feel a lot better since I got that off my chest. I hope this is a feel-good message today. I like doing the Let's Chop It Ups because I be having a lot going on in my mind, y'all, and I think it's just healthier that I give it to y'all and where we at with it, right? If you like content like this, or if it's something that you just want me to chop it up about and give my opinion on, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. My Instagram and TikTok is @TheRealJewelBrown. For those who just subscribe because they're like, "Ooh, this chick dope," and she was just speaking that shit, y'all welcome. Jewelers, you all are jewelers now, so make sure you subscribe so you can become an official jeweler and you can be updated on all my latest videos, y'all. So thanks for watching this video. This video is lengthy, but the girls that get it, and the girls that don't, I bless you on your way out. So I love you, God loves you, y'all. The bottom is way too crowded. I look forward to seeing you right next to me at the top. Bye.